The excursion from hell turned into the one of the best we've ever been in. What's going on, y'all? We are in sunny St. Croix. We have nothing planned today. We're gonna try not to get ran over by this police car. That'd be the first thing that we try not to do. We're gonna check out St. Croix and see what we can find. So y'all come with us. Here we go. This nice little straw market here just as you come off the ship. So this is the Eliza James McBean Clock Tower and Boardwalk area. The boardwalk is over here behind some of these straw markets. It goes all the way down. Very cool. It's beautiful. It's not congested. There are chickens everywhere. It's like Puerto Rico. They're just running everywhere. There's some babies. You see the babies? Oh, got a little injury. So we just kind of walked around and we picked up this island tour here for 40 bucks a person. We're going to see the rum distillery. We're going to go watch some pigs, drink, beer. That's what I'm most excited about. It's going to be very cool though. Pretty excited. So here we go.
You're going to realize I'm not a big fan of the government. So those guys that are sitting to the end, be mindful of branches. Okay? So definitely no mooning. So the monument you're seeing right here, and when we go around the corner, you're going to see another monument. Those are Admiral Martin King and General Bodo. They led the emancipation here back in 1848. All right? In 1848, they led the emancipation.
Here we go. We're going to go see St. Croix. See what this island's all about. First stop is a statue to the leader of the emancipation in 1848 here on the island. Baby, gonna have fun?
Yeah. Feels better than walking around.
It does, yeah. I don't know who had that idea. Just gonna walk around right near the equator. So this part of the tour is not scheduled. The truck is not running and we're stuck on the side of a hill and we've only seen one statue. So,
and we've already stopped at that statue.
I hope this is just increasing the drama at this point. But I don't know. Judging by the smell of the fumes we're getting back here, I think it's, yeah. You about to get all your money's worth off the gas fumes. Oh boy, come on. Will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Here we go. He's giving it another shot.
Okay.
We'll go. We've been here now for, I don't know, 10 minutes. Yeah. I think this is going to be the tour to nowhere. This is kind of like Gilligan Island at this point. The only question I have in my mind is, how much does he feel like he earned to go this far?
We are getting big more. We get to see none of the things on
I know.
They took someone with the pig straight there.
Somebody's getting aggravated.
We haven't gotten to the pig yet.
It's hot. But you know what? We're still having fun. We'll figure it out. Chastity is burning up. I am too. Look how wet I am. We did this so we wouldn't sweat. But now we're sweating a lot. We've switched trucks. Hey, here's our friends, Georgia folks. Got some new mafia over here, new Moonlight Mafia. So we've swapped trucks. We have a Cadillac now. This is a Cadillac. So hopefully, that's right. Everybody was getting high off the fumes. We're like, no, you gotta. So we changed out the car, or we changed out the truck, the trolley, whatever you want to call this. It's actually an upgrade. I think we're in good shape now.
Yeah.
We just want to see these pigs. We are underway, finally. Oh no. See you later, Minnow. Best tour ever.
Beautiful tree. The name of that tree, it is what you call a baobab tree.
Baobab tree.
Baobab tree.
This is the largest tree in the Caribbean. Baobab tree. We made it to the pigs. Look how disheveled I am. I'm telling you, like this was, they call it a safari. This is definitely a safari. Chas's earring and
My
everything's
microphone, look.
It's stuck. The microphone stuck to her earring. This is the Mount Pelier Domino Club. So we've just been informed that we have to buy a beer for the pigs. Buyer beware. We do have to feed the pigs.
Drink.
We got it. One for us and one for the pigs. $2 admission to get in, plus $4 to feed the pig a beer. Full service restaurant and bar as well. Word to the wise, everyone needs to buy the beer and needs to pay the admission to go see the pigs. And they do not take cards, so when you come up here, make sure that you have plenty of cash, and you got to pay to see the pigs, and you have to buy the beer for the pigs. But anyway, this was a cool little spot though. We got music now. We got music. Yeah. We got music. Thanks to this man back here. He's the MVP. MVP. Yeah. They call this the KYA of St. Croix. Handrails, they are not only advised but very much needed. You can hold on to these handrails. The beach! Best tour ever! Best tour ever! Best tour ever! This is Sprotnet Beach Bar and Grill. They have Papawana right there. It's not the mama wanna, it's the papa wanna. My man over here tells me it's the best in the Caribbean. Best in the Caribbean, the papa wanna.
When you drink it, I want you to tell me.
All right.
Your opinion.
Okay. Waiting on the papa wanna. We got the Caribe. Lord bless us on the rest of this trip. It has been an adventure,
It's been an
to say the least.
I don't know how to film.
It kind of seems like this is an excursion that I might have booked.
Yeah, this is something we planned.
This is definitely a moon excursion, 100%. That's Papa Wanna on the island. You know the Moonlight Adventures. We like us some mountain water. Here we
Cheers,
go.
man.
Cheers, my brother.
Cheers. Welcome to the island, man. Welcome to Spratnet Beach Bar and Grill.
Right, Beach Bar Grill. Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do it.
Woo! Yeah, baby. That's good. I like that.
Okay.
That's much better than what we had in the Dominican that just burned us up. That's good stuff. That's smooth. Tastes good alcohol content. Yeah. We're going to go get our feet in the water here at Spratnet Beach. We're on the St. Croix roller coaster, baby. The St. Croix roller coaster. Hold on. Salt River. He said it's the Salt River. I'm pretty sure this is the ocean, but he said this is the Salt River. I think this is the Atlantic Ocean, though.
Salt River Bay. After Columbus anchored his boat at the ocean, where I make the stop. Also, they have a marina. They build $1 million of boat all the way to the back at the marina.
We stopped at Island Petroleum so we can go to the restroom and purchase refreshments. You cannot go to the restroom unless you purchase refreshments. But if you would like a tattoo, they do have a tattoo parlor and they do have barbecue. So, I mean, this is where it's at right here. They've got it all. Full service stop, baby. Let's go. This is my competitor, Pablo from España.
But he will win. He's the best country musician.
I'm a crooner. This guy right here, though,
I'm not.
in Español.
I'm not.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
We make an exchange. I go to US and he came to Spain.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Theme song for this entire excursion. Started from the bottom. Now we're here. We're not quite there yet, though. We still got to get back to the ship.
We are here.
We are here.
From Bob Nellis.
We got a 6-pack. We don't know how we're going to open them all. I'll figure it out. I'm very resourceful. All right, guys. So the excursion from hell turned into the one of the best we've ever been in. Not because of the operator, but because of the passengers. Man, we had a good time. That was so much fun. What do you think, baby?
It was so fun.
It was so fun. Nothing about St. Croix. It was so fun. We saw some good sights.
Well,
We didn't get to see any pigs drinking beer,
no, I didn't just say that.
but it turned out to be fan-freaking-tastic. I mean, look how disheveled. Chas just brushed through her hair.
Yeah.
I don't care. Excursion hair, don't care. But we're trying to find us. We got to get us a magnet and something from every port. So that's where we're going right now. Little pro tip here: we just left this place back here. This is the Jordan Supermarket. At least that's what come up on our receipt. $3 beers if you don't have the drink package on board the ship. or if you want to get some beers before you get on an excursion like we just went on, come to Jordan Market, $3. Cheers,
You
baby.
do have the drink package. It's a good pregame.
Good pre-gaming.
Because you only get 15 on the
Exactly, yeah. $3 a brewski. Let's go. We are closing this day of our 8-day U.S. Virgin Island cruise out. We're going to go have some fun. Y'all can't come with us while we're having fun because it's not safe for YouTube. We out.
If you like this video, click the video above.